I'm gonna show you how to convert your MPG to kilometers on the Honda PCX. First you gotta turn the ignition on and you have a miles. You don't have to press anything over here with those switches, high beam, whatever. What you have to do, you have to press those two buttons together simultaneously till your hours start blinking. I don't know if I press. Let's see again. Okay, then you press select and you can change the hour with your, you press set and then you can press select so you can change the hour. Then you press again and then you're gonna changing the minutes, and you can do with the select button. Then you press again. This is your dimmer, and you can just press and you can select on it. We're not gonna set up because this is the high. Now we're just gonna change the MPG and you press again set, and you see it's gonna start blinking like this. Then you press select and you see you can change between the MPG and kilometer per hour. That's a speed, so we change it to kilometer. Then you press again. Then they're gonna ask you if you want a liter per 100 kilometers, or you press again this one and then you see blinking rapidly, and then you press that one. You can change to kilometer per liter or liter per 100 kilometers. So we leave it this one because this is natural liter per 100 kilometer, and that's it. That's how it is. That's how it works. See ya.